Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nasrul Sedina dari kelas Manajemen 22A NPM 2241101. Di sini saya ingin menjelaskan selection and placement. What is selection and placement? Selection and placement are two important strategies in the employee recruitment process. Selection is the process of obtaining and using information about job applicants to determine who should be accepted for short-term and long-term position. Placement is the next stage after the selection process is carried out. This placement stage is carried out with the hope that the company will be able to get a good quantity and quality of work from an employer. Step in selection and placement. The step in employer selection and placement may vary depending on company policy. However, in general, these steps include 1. Search for prospective employers. 2. Selection of prospective employers. 3. Placement of employers in positions that suit their abilities and qualification. Here are some ways to make effective selection. 1. Understand the job required. Before making a selection, the company must understand the characteristics of the job required. This can be done by conducting a job analysis to determine selection criteria. After understanding the job required, the company must determine selection criteria that suit the characteristics of the job. 3. Use appropriate selection methods. Companies must use selection methods that comply with predetermined selection criteria. Some commonly used selection methods include ability testing, personality testing, and interviews. 4. Involve a competitive selection team. Companies must involve a competent and trained selection team in selection employers. 5. Implement an effective selection system. The company must have a selection system that is effective and can be used at any time by anyone who is able to carry out an effective selection process for the company. 6. Monitor the selection process. Companies must monitor the selection process continuously to ensure that the selection process runs effectively and professionally. 7. Maintain good communication with prospective employers. Companies must maintain good communication with prospective employers during the selection process to ensure that prospective employers feel appreciated and respected. By carrying out effective selection, companies can get employers who are qualified and able to work well, so that they can improve the company's overall performance. Selection and placement benefits. Employer selection and placement has important benefits for the company, including selection benefits. 1. Improving the quality of employees. By making the right selection, companies can obtain employees who are qualified and accordant with required job characteristics. 2. Reduce costs. Effective selection can reduce the cost a company incurs is recruiting and training employees who do not match the required job characteristics. 3. Increase productivity. Employees who are qualified and match the required job characteristics can increase company productivity. Selection and placement purposes. The aim of employer selection and placement is to obtain qualified employees who match the job characteristics required by the company. The following are some of the objectives of employer selection and placement. 1. Obtaining quality employees. The main objective of employer selection and placement is to obtain employees who are qualified and accordant with the job characteristics required by the company. 2. Increase productivity by obtaining qualified employees who match the required job characteristics companies and increase work productivity and overall company performance. 3. Reduce costs. Proper selection of employees can reduce the cost a company incurs for recruiting and training employees who do not match the required job characteristics. 4. Increase employee motivation. Placing employees in positions that show their abilities and qualification can increase employee motivation at work. Selection and placement factor. Factors influencing employee selection and placement may vary depending on company policy. The following are several factors that generally influence employee selection and placement. Selection factor. Placement factor. 1. Company growth. 2. Academic achievement. 3. Experience. 4. Marital status. 5. Age. Company growth. The company's business growth will affect the need for employees. 2. Academic achievement. Academic achievement can influence the placement of employees in positions that suit their educational background and expertise. 3. Experience. Work experience can influence the placement of employees in positions that suit their experience and skills. 4. Material status. Material status can influence the placement of employees in positions that suit their family's needs. 5. Age. A person's age can influence the placement of employees in positions that are appropriate to their physical condition and work experience. Thank you.